Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is part 2 and the final part of the Redneck Sevin Dust Applicator 1000. What I did was, you can see I kind of secured the lid because I will lose a lid in a heartbeat. So what you do, you just pull that to the side and put your dust in here. And I put this board on the inside. It's got right there where the handles are. I measured that and cut that to fit, and then I pre-drilled this board right here because I figured it would split. But I've glued everything. This board is glued, and this board is glued with Gorilla Glue. And you can see where I've drilled the holes and put a plastic bag on there. You can do that to keep the stuff. Sevin Dust is kind of funny. It'll pack itself, so I'm assuming that it won't come out. And I am going to try this. I just don't have any Sevin Dust. And when I get some, I will try it and show you how it works. But on the bottom, I put these little feet to keep it off the direct floor. That way it won't wick water into the Sevin Dust. Of course, I'm thinking about putting some longer screws in there where when I agitate it, of course I do, you can see the screw heads on the wood and on the bottom. That'll help kind of agitate the dust to help break it up. But all I've got material wise in here is, well, everything's been costed out on other jobs and stuff. It's leftovers. So I've got 0 in here. And it'll make a fine applicator for years to come. And it's cheap too. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.